Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Okay, Randall M. Rueff here. Just excited to get my new camera and start using it, actually. I'm going to show you we're going in here and turn on the lights here. I'm just going to get a glass of milk, that's all really, but oh, it's already got some. So I'm just excited to have this new camera and start using it. Again, nothing exciting, just I'm a little excited to get this new camera and do some videos. Just to look into the mundane, boring, everyday thing of my life here in Taylorsville, Indiana. Let's see, this is February the 11th, 2019 AD. And going back to the computer and do some work on editing and other things. So there you go. Sure, I'm going to zoom out. Let's see. It's got a little zooms here. Which I'm going to zoom it out. I want the wide angle. Okay, there you go. There's the case I'm going to be keeping this camera in. There's the box it came in. So until next time, I'm Randall M. Rueff saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.